Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Specifically, we're going to demonstrate on the 2012 Ford F-150. But even if you have, guys, one that's different here, but that generation, the video may be helpful. You have two fuse boxes. As you know, one of them is under the hood, right above the radiator. That's the main fuse box right here for the engine management. But you have one for the body control module. That's everything practically inside the vehicle, and it will be located on the passenger side under the dash, kind of like on the right side in that kick panel. You remove that cover here. Once you open the fuse box, it will look just like that. We have it zoomed here, okay, so you can see everything with a great detail. Now let's explain quickly why it's super important to test fuses and relays, because we've seen people wasting their time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So if you guys have an F-150 that's stuck in park, it cannot shift out of park, you cannot put it in drive or reverse or neutral, you can see if you come in that fuse row right here, guys, on the left side, the very bottom fuse, that 10 amp fuse, is the one that you will need to check. There could be multiple things that can cause the transmission to be stuck in park. It could be a bad brake light switch, it could be a bad fuse for the brake light switch, but check that fuse, guys, right here. The 10 amp fuse will be the one that I would recommend to check, because if that doesn't work, the truck may be stuck in park. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.